My friend tell me, I don't want. You tried to learn Cantonese before, but you finally give up. Hey, Gopal here. This channel is help non-native language person or want to learn Cantonese. Everyone through learning Cantonese no have more hinder to a conversation with anyone. Make you guys actually speaking like a local person. Yeah. If you have an interest, please remember subscribe and open the little bell. This way you won't miss what you want to learn knowledge. Maybe you have too much problem to learn Cantonese. So I will give you a gift to the last second. Remember, watch this video until the last second. Everybody knows learning is hard. Few learning difficulties are due to different reasons. First one may be your lack of motivation. If a person is not interested in the subject matter, they may struggle to focus and retain information. But first step is harder than learning. Today I want to change my learning my story. My friend is my work partner. He come Hong Kong almost 5 years. He have a learning hard for Cantonese. He find a teacher before many days. Lunchtime he also take the phone, use the learning app, and every day use the Cantonese with me discuss. I also have see him every day. Cantonese have an increase, but today I with him eat out for lunch. It's too normal, just McDonald's. It's not good, but not bad. When almost eat finished, my friend tell me, I don't want to learn Cantonese anymore. I say, why you so learning hard for Cantonese? Almost 5 years. Really give up? Him say, no, but really hard. I don't know how to increase more. He also give my example. Say, when I forget something as well, my friend will shorten to say with me, nè, yu. When I say something, my friend happen to listen, he will shorten to say, mẹ à? Mẹ wá? When I want to confirm my friends, he will say, When my friend say something, this word, he will say, mẹ. What is that? So hard, you know. My teacher have teach me like this. When I listen my friend this situation, then I tell him, let me help you. Face this situation, no worry. The above words also is a lazy language. You already lazy, don't want to speak more, but use the situation only for close friends or family. Work partner or have a word level gap person is cannot use this. That's very impolite in the workplace. Okay, when friend with you say nè, yu can mean there or here. For example, now I need find something. I can't find it out, but this thing is very near of me. This time you can just finger or eyes give me the location and say nè or yu. When friend with you say mẹ à? Mẹ wá? Can mean what are you say? For example, you're my mẹ à? Now you blah 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 something to me. I'm not clear what you say. This time I can say mẹ à? Mẹ wá? When you understand of something and you're so busy but don't want to know respond with your friend, you can say but don't use too much. Your friend maybe will feel you don't have attention of this conversation. And now you maybe have a one question is, so mẹ what's mean? Okay. When you're with your friend talking something, but you forget a one thing, lamp, you can say meh, and expand the thing exterior, color, and how heavy. This way you can make your friend or family load the thing, have a imagine. Like 你記唔記得我琴日同你講有個咩好抵買啊？佢而家喺超級市場做緊 discount 啊，比琴日仲平啊！佢形狀咁樣嘅長方形啦，黃色嘅包裝，跟住佢係脆口嘅，食落去唔係硬身嘅。Finally, my friend is already solved him with his fan problem. Now slowly start to understand the inner meaning of his fans. So learning is endless. As long as you don't give up, there will always be a solution. Let's recap today's Cantonese. When friends with you say "nè," you can mean there or here. For example, now I need to find something. I can't find it out, but this thing is very near of me. This time you can just finger or eyes give me the location. When friend with you say 咩啊?咩話? can mean what are you say? For example, you're my friend. Now you blah 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 something to me. I'm not clear what you say. When you understand of something and you're so busy but don't want to know respond. With your friend, you can say when you're with your friend talking something but you forget a one thing, lamp, you can say meh and expand the thing exterior, color, and how heavy. Always, if you watch to here, you feel this content can help you have an impress. Remember to click the like button. This free way to support me. And you can comment below with me discuss more. You also can follow my Instagram. They have this channel happen to share knowledge. Have one more thing. This video start I've told you guys have a gift for you. So this gift is already have at the below the information bar. So now you can click the link and take this gift. This gift is my Cantonese ebook. 5 minutes speak your first time. This ebook is for want to learn Cantonese everyone. I'm Grouper. See you next time.